हे कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासदि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। श्री चैतन्य चरितामृतम
चैतन्य
मध्य
चैप्टर 1 चैतन्य चरितमृत मध्यम लीला चैप्टर 1 135
वृद्धोनिया गेला जगन्नाथ दिखते चरे कथा साक्षी गोपाल विवरण नित्यानंद केल प्रभु दंडवंदन वृद्धोनिया एका गेला जगन्नाथ दिखते श्याम चिंदया पुरीला सार्वभौमालय नया गेला आपण भगवान तृतीय प्रहरे प्रभु होईल चेतन नित्यानंद जगद जगदानंद दामोदर मुकुंद आशी आशी मिली सभी पाहिलं आनंद सभी सार्वभौमे प्रभु प्रसाद करिला आपण ईश्वर मूर्ती तारे देखाइला पवित्र करिला प्रभु दक्षिण भ्रमण पूर्व क्षेत्रे करिला वासुदेव विमोचन जियर निसर्गे कोइला निसिंहस्तवन पथे पथे ग्रामे ग्रामे नाम प्रवर्तन गोदावरी त्रिवने वृंदावन भ्रम रामानंद रायस तमति मिलन श्रीमंत पदविष्टान कोइल दर्शन सर्वत्र कोइल कृष्ण नाम प्रचारम तले तो प्रासंगी गणे कोइल सुंदरन अहो बला निसिंहादि कोइल दर्शन श्रीरंग क्षेत्रे आइला कावेरी ते श्रीरंग देखिया प्रेमे होइला उपस्थित श्रीमंत भट्टे घरे कोइल प्रभुर्वास ताही रहिला प्रभु वर्षा चारि मास।
Krishnadas Kaviraj Swami saying, so when Mahaprabhu goes to South India, after delivering Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, after that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu went to South India. And he met in Kurmaset Vasudev Ghosh. He had skin disease. I think cold, maybe leprosy. Yeah, he had leprosy. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also delivered him from leprosy. And then he went to Godavari Dham. At Godavari he met Rai Ramananda. And he heard all the katha. This is called Rai Ramananda Sambad. The conversation between Rai Ramananda and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And within 4 months, he spent his time in Sri Rangam, and there Sri Vallabha Bhatta, and he stayed with them, Shankar Vallabha Bhatta, the Bhatta family. And he And he spoke about Radha and Krishna Katha to them.
नाम जवी विक्रम खे कृष्ण नाम प्रचार श्रीरंग पुरी पास कहीं मिलन रामदास विप्र कइलो दुख विमोचन। इस प्रकार महाप्रभु 4 महीने
For 4 months, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu,
4 महीने उदित होने के पश्चात पुनः चैतन्य महाप्रभु
he was preaching in South India.
और वहीं पर रामनाम जपकारी ब्राह्मण के महाप्रभु दर्शन देकर के
He gave a Brahmin darshan. He gave a darshan to Brahman, and he made him speak, making him chant Harinam, Krishna's name. And then Mahaprabhu went to Sri Rangam Puri, and Madhavendra Puri Sisha. Sri Rangam. It's a very beautiful Leela. When he was in Mahaprabhu in Rangapuri, he met Santa Madhavendra Puri. He has good relationship with Madhavendra Puri. He said, yes, I have relationship with Madhavendra Puri Par. He is my Param Gurudev. And I took the Diksha from Ishwar Puri, and my Param Gurudev is Madhavendra Puri. Then afterwards, and he gave darshan to Ramchandra Das. तत्ववादी संप्रदाय
महाप्रभु के साथ विचार किया। तत्ववादी संप्रदाय है
मायावादी श्री संप्रदाय
संप्रदाय की जो है
माधव संप्रदाय।
उनके साथ महाप्रभु विचार किया।
And then Mahaprabhu also spent time with Madhavendra
कोई बात को विचार कर रहे हैं
because they Madha Sampradaya. They could not understand the philosophy of Madhya Sampradaya. And then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu condemned all their philosophy. Mahaprabhu Vallabha Bhatta, for 4 months Mahaprabhu stayed in their house. Vallabha Bhatta.
अनंत पुरुषोत्तम श्री जनार्दन पद्मनाभ वासुदेव कैला दर्शन अभिप्रभु कैला सप्तताल विमोचन सेतु वंदे स्नान रामेश्वर दर्शन। महाप्रभु सप्तताल विमोचन दर्शन किया। वंदे स्नान रामेश्वर दर्शन तहाई कोई पूर्व पुराण श्रवण माया सीता निवेग रावण ताते दिखान दुनिया प्रभु आनंद कवि रमन। महाप्रभु में पर कूर्म पुराण की एक अध्याय पुराण में
He spoke about Kurma Katha, where Ravan kidnapped Maya Sita.
रामदास विप्रे कथा होइला स्मरण श्री पुरातन पत्र आग्रह करिनिल राम जैसे दिखाई दो दुख खंडाइल ब्रह्म संगीता कर्णामृत विपुतिदयां विपुतोदयां उत्तम जन्य महाप्रभु दक्षिण देश से
In Mahaprabhu
दो
in
ग्रंथ
South,
लेकर के आए
he brought
एक
two
रसग्रंथ
one is Rasa
श्री
Grantha,
कृष्ण
Shri Krishna,
कर्णामृत
Karnamrit,
और दूसरी तत्व सिद्धांत
and
ग्रंथ
Tattva
ब्रह्म
Siddhanta
संहिता
is Brahma Samhita.
दुई पुस्तकालय उत्तम जनिया पुनर्विन्यासले कोइलगमन भक्तमने मिला संजत्र देखिलाओ इस प्रकार महाप्रभु दक्षिण देश भ्रमण करके पुनः
Who was
नीलाचल में पधारे
and he returned back to Nilachal in Jagannath Puri and he met the devotees.
अनवसरे जगन्नाथ अपय दर्शन विरहे अनन्नाथ परिला गमन स्नान यात्रा के बाद
Then after Snan Jatra,
विश्राम लेते
you know, Thakurji, after Snan Jatra of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, sorry, Jagannath, he takes rest for 2 weeks
जगन्नाथ देव दर्शन नहीं देते
and he doesn't give darshan
महाप्रभु अलारनाथ
during that time. So that time, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu goes to Alarnath.
कहीं रहिलो गौरीर भक्त ऐसे समाचार पाइलो इसके पश्चात
Then after there was many devotees came from Gaur Des.
नित्यानंद सार्वभौम आग्रह करिला करिया ना जनी आइलो गौरीर दुनिया विरोधे व्यवहार प्रभु पाए रात्रि दिने ध्यानकारी आइला गौरी भक्त गणे इस प्रकार चैतन्य महाप्रभु दक्षिण देश भ्रमण के पश्चात
Then, like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, after his tour of South India, he came to Jagannath Puri.
और महाप्रभु जब विरह में
In this separation mood,
मूर्छित हो जाते
when Krishna, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu go be unconscious,
कीर्तन करते
and the devotees used to do kirtan. So then he would become conscious.
प्रभु मानसी होइल पूर्व जबे प्रभु रामानंदेर मिलिला लीला चली आशीर्वादी आज्ञा दिला चैतन्य महाप्रभु रामानंद के साथ जब मिले
When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu met Rai Ramananda,
ये आप जल्दी जल्दी ही राज कार्य त्याग दे करके
so he said to Rai Ramananda that you leave your kingdom and you come to Jagannath Puri.
राजकलयति हो आइगत दिने रात्रि दिने कृष्ण कथा रामानंद सने इसी प्रकार
Rai Ramananda.
सारे कार्य जो है गवर्नमेंट कार्य जो है
Whatever the duties he had in the government, and he came to Radha Pratupar and he came to Jagannath Puri.
दामोदर स्वरूप विरणे परमानंद विजय मिलनाथ राय भगवानंद गुरु विधि सर्व वैष्णवगण आगमन कुलीन ग्राम से संगे कोइलो मिलन नमो कृष्णदास कविराज गोस्वामी प्रणाम करते जा रहे हैं हे महाप्रभु
Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami said, Mahaprabhu, he used to invite everyone that come to Jagannath Puri for the Rath Yatra. First there is a Gundicha Marjana Leela. Like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, even there is a katha about Pradaputra's son. He did kripa to Pradaputra's son. And when he was involved, he was doing kirtan. When Mahaprabhu was in the park, Jagannath Vallabha garden, he was sitting under the train, and then the sun, that time, the son.
प्रतापपुत्र
Thus,
वैष्णव धारण करके महाप्रभु के चरण लगाया।
he massaged Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's feet, and he was very happy. So Prabhu hugged him. Prataputra's and he did kripa.
गौर भक्ते रातांजिलो विदाये दिन जहाँ भक्तदास वीर रथयात्रा दर्शने ईश्वर चले भक्त गणे रमिलन। रथयात्रा के 4 महीने के उपरांत के बाद भक्त अपने अपने गृह में चले गए।
And after that, then all the devotees went back to their household. Then Mahaprabhu said, you should every year come here for during Rath Yatra and for also Gundicha Mandir marjan. Then Chaitanya Prabhu was in Jagannath Sarvabhauma. He used to stay in Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya's house.
वशांतरे पतितानि भक्तेर भगवान प्रभु ने देखी सभी गोरिल्ला भगवान। इसी प्रकार एक साथ बीतते जाए फिर बरसात के समय महाप्रभु अधिक आदर की गृह में।
And then he stayed at Advaita Acharya's house. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to give the darshan to devotees. Krishna Krishna. I didn't hear that. That he said, say Krishna Krishna. Hope is. There was once a king. He used to serve Santa Mahatmas. He used to serve Santa Mahatma. He used to honor Mahaprasad of the Santa Mahatma, the remnants. Even though he was a king, he was serving the Vaishnavas. One day, Lakshmi and Narayan, they were watching the king, and they were saying, Lakshmi said to Narayan that he is your Param Bhakta. Yeah, he is my Bhakta. So he is doing bhajan, but he is not 100% surrendered, like, because he is a king, he is doing Santa Mahatma's seva. He does with his own hands. When the Santa Mahatmas are taking rest, he used to massage their feet and legs. So he is. And then Narayan said, there's only a little hankar left in him. It's like Bhagwan is doing pariksha, exam, testing. One day,
वो राजा तो सभी संत महात्मा को बुला देते
Raja was calling Sant Mahatmas.
सबकी सेवा करते थे
He was serving them with his own hands.
संत महात्मा को प्रसाद देते थे
And after the Sant Mahatmas had prasad,
प्रसाद दे देते थे
and they used to give,
उचित समझे
I said, Maharaj, please give me your remnants, the utist.
तो नारायण बोले
Then Narayan said to Lakshmi,
तुम संत महात्मा को एक कोड संत महात्मा को धारण करो कोड संत इस शरीर में कोड हो गया
and his code here,
लक्ष्मी देवी ने क्या की
the Lakshmi Devi,
धारण किया
the Lakshmi Devi,
नारायण
this had, who had leprosy?
नारायण क्या करेगा अलग से रूप में धारण करे तो लक्ष्मी देवी जब संत महात्मा के धारण करके उस राजा के पास गए
Then Lakshmi Devi went to this Raja's place, and he cooked by himself, and he used to offer prasadam to the Sant Mahatmas. After the end of the Sant Mahatmas, he used to say, so he used to say that give me your utist, means remnants, Mahaprasad. Wherever Lakshmi Devi went there, and she went, Lakshmi Devi went there in disguised. So he went to Sant Mahatma. This Sant Mahatma had this leprosy. So this leprosy, this Sant Mahatma, he used to stand far. So he used to ask for Mahaprasad of all the Sant Mahatmas. When Raja, this king was head of Utista from Sant Mahatma's remnants, and he's saying, how can I give him Utista, like how can I give him this Mahaprasad, the remnant, because in his hand he had so much, there was blood, coming out from his hand, because he had leprosy. So that's what the king was thinking, how can I? Yes, it's niyam that Sant Mahatma, you should take the Utisa of Sant Mahatma. In his hand, the Sant Mahatma had a lot of cord, leprosy, so his hands were bleeding. His blood. It's very high level to understand. Yes, so Raja what did Raja say to him, Maharaj? So please give me your Utisa. Means, yes. Sant Mahatma also gave him some Mahaprasad. Also with that prasad, the blood was also mixed with his, because his hand was so bloody, so much wounds in his hand. So he came with this Mahaprasad, like he got from the Sant Mahatmas. And what did he do? And what he did, he threw this in a dustbin. So this prasad that he got remnants and from these Mahatmas, Mahatma. So he and then a dog came, and dog started to lick that prasad. He didn't eat. He didn't honor the Mahaprasad of the Sant Mahatma whose hands were bleeding, and so he threw that in the bin, and so he, Sant Mahatma, gave a sharp curse to the king. That is Mahaprasad. What did he do? He threw it in the bin. So now I curse you that you will be dog in your next life.
तो राजा ने क्या कि
The Raja,
तो वहाँ पे चरण पकड़ के रोने लगे महाराज।
he got hold of the lotus feet and he started to cry. He
आपके
said,
प्रसाद की वजह मेरा बड़ा अवज्ञा हो गया। महाप्रसाद नाम
Master,
सर्वपुण्य बताने राजा विश्वास नहीं हो जाते, जिनके सर्वपुण्यवान पुण्यवान लोग हैं, उनके महाप्रसाद की वजह कहाँ विश्वास है?
what is
और
this
महाप्रसाद
Mahaprasad?
महाप्रसाद के ऊपर
Is Mahaprasad?
बहुत कठिन है।
It's, yes,
महाप्रसाद ठाकुर जी को अर्जुन क्या जिसके महाप्रसाद
the offering that we have, Prasad from Thakurji is Mahaprasad, and the remnants of Sant Mahatmas is called Mahamahaprasad.
अनेक जन सुकृति होने पर तो उसको स्वीकार करेंगे।
Yes,
कैसे करें? तो सब वो राजा जी ने
the Raja did. He got hold of his feet and he started to cry and he said, please forgive me. But I've already given you a curse that you will have to be bound. Whoever. In the next life, you'll have to become a dog. Because he offended Mahaprasad. And not only that, secondly, you fed that Mahaprasad to the dog. What did you do with Mahaprasad? You fed to the dogs. So that Santa Mahatma said, in Kali Yuga, that Krishna, he will come in the form of Mahaprabhu, and Uttista, and then you will be delivered after from the dog life. So here it's saying how Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he had all these parikars and he was taking parikar. They had to cross the river, and then this dog came. The boat. The boat wouldn't take a dog. Then he gave some money, so then he crossed this dog. This dog, the Sarvabhaumacharya, when he was in Jagannath Puri, the dog came there before him. And the Sivananda said that feed this dog. Sivananda Bhai brothers, he didn't have Vishwas on this dog, that he is a Bhagavad Bhakta, that like some dogs can have devotees. Actually this dog, even on Ekadasi, he never used to take grains like rice. And this dog used to walk. He used to do parikrama. So because of his previous life, there are so many dogs wandering. Not all the dogs were going to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, but only this dog. He said to Sivananda, he said, did you give the dog to the bhojan? Did you give the bhojan to the dog? And he said, oh, I forgotten to tell. Sivananda was very sad that who is this dog gone now? This Bhakta dog. He said, so when they reached when he saw, and this dog was sitting in front of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu giving his uttista, his remnants. And then this dog was having, after eating the prasad of Mahaprabhu's, then he left his body. Why? So that was who's this dog? This was that king. That was king, and Yes, and we had Mahaprabhu's Buddhist remnants.
भक्त सने बदरीन ताही रहिला गौरी भक्त ऐसे समाचार पाइला नित्यानंद सर्वमठ भट्टा सर्व आग्रह करिला करिया लीला चलेला महाप्रभु के लैया इस प्रकार महाप्रभु दिन दिन कृष्ण प्रेम में
Mahaprabhu was absorbed in Krishna Prem.
महाप्रभु के पद करके हेनकाले आइला गौरी भक्त गणे सबे मिली जुक्ति करी कीर्तन आरंभिला कीर्तन आरंभ प्रभुर मन से रहिला इसी प्रकार समस्त भक्त लोग
Then
महाप्रभु
all the bhaktas, and they were always with Mahaprabhu.
महाप्रभु रण लेकिन कोई भक्त जब नाम संकीर्तन करते
There was one bhakta doing Nam Sankirtan.
तो उल्लसित होकर के उनकी जुक्ति करते इसके पश्चात चैतन्य महाप्रभु जगन्नाथ पुरी कैसे बने आदि मिश्र कृपा पतन मिश्रादि मिलन परमानंद पुरी गोसानी काशी गमन मिश्रादि मिलन परमानंद पुरी गोसाई काशी स्तर गमन आगमन दामोदर स्वरूप मिलन परमानंद देखी मायनी मिलन राय भवान गोविंदे सर्व वैष्णव जागवान पुलिन ग्राम वासी संगे प्रथम मिलन नरहरि दास हरि जत भखंड वासी शिवानंद संगे मिल सवे आसी नाम जत्रा देवी प्रभु संत भक्तगण दशरवार सभा गया प्रभु कैलो गुंडीचा मार्जन इसी प्रकार से तीसरी साल आ गया
Then the third year,
तीसरी साल में चैतन्य महाप्रभु
and third year Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he took all the devotees, took them to Gundicha Marjan, cleaning Chaitanya Mahaprabhu with the devotees was cleaning the Mandicha temple, Gundicha temple, Marjan of Gundicha, Gunjita temple.
केवल राजमंद राजमंद के दक्षिण देश के जो है वो गवर्नर शासक थे अंडर टेकिंग ऑफ किंग प्रताप
On the Padaputra,
प्रताप के अंगत
Padaputra's king, there was a governor.
और इस प्रकार चैतन्य महाप्रभु तीसरे साल
चैतन्य महाप्रभु
में उपस्थित हुए और भक्तों के साथ
with the devotees, and he was doing kirtan.
चैतन्य महाप्रभु ये शिवानंद संग आइला कुकुर भगवान प्रभु चरण देखी कोइलम का ध्यान वते सर्वभौम सवार मिलन धर्म हट्टा जति काशी गमन जल क्रीड़ा कोइल प्रभु सवार लैया कोइल गुंडीचा गृह मार्जन चैतन्य महाप्रभु जगन्नाथपुरी में
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Jagannath Puri. Jagannath used to stay there for 7 days. And
উপবনে কইল প্রভুর বিবিধ বিলাস প্রভুর অভিষেক কইল বিপ্রনাম দাস গুন্ডিচাতে নিত্যারম নিত্য গুন্ডিচাতে নিত্য অন্তে কইল জগন্নাথ জল কেলি हेरा पंचमी देखिला लक्ष्मी देवी चली ऐसे करते करते हेरा पंचमी आ गए
like Virapancha, Hirapancha.
हो जाए तुषार जगन्नाथ देव
Hirapancha means to search.
जगन्नाथ मंदिर से गुंडीचापल्ली में चले जाते
Chaitanya,
बुद्ध हो जाते
Gundicha, Lord Chaitanya used to go to, sorry, Lord Jagannath go to Gundicha temple. And so Lakshmi Devi used to search for him. That's why the Mahaprabhu used to. Yeah, they used to even, some devotees used to want to test Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. That if you are a
गौरी भक्त गए सब कोई लो विदाय भक्ति संगे भक्त दया करे कीर्तन सदा भक्तगण जाइते कइल गौरी गमन वृंदावन जाइते कइल गौर गमन वृंदावन लइया जाय भैया सदा इसी प्रकार से जरा महाप्रभु
he was glorifying each and every devotee.